I don't know. So I have to come back this way. There's no way I'm gonna get that. It's chasing bugs. You're right. You cuss worse than me. Sometimes. Sometimes. Well, you're good at spotting it. I just got done filling up that water jug. Me either. It's acting normal. My battery's low.
How about that?
That's a good spot. Good identification. That's crazy. I know when I was a kid, like 12, I'd see in my mom's yard, wherever. I used to see bats all the time. I don't see them like I used to.
Are you zooming in
As much as this thing will zoom. I've never even seen. Wait. What kind is it? Going towards the sun. No, that's one go towards the wood line.
That's so weird.
It is.
What's down here? Look at here,
I ain't gonna get good view on this towards that sun. It does the lens. It fog. Oh, I can't get it in the screen. I don't know where I'm at.
Wow.
Quit cussing, woman. I can't. I got to put explicit lyrics or something. Explicit language. Guess so. Let's see if I can get this in view one more time since it's coming this way. I'm about to lose my battery. Okay, it's getting higher up. Where's it at? I know. I was looking at the screen too much. I'll carry whatever you don't carry.